Hi guys, this is me Basir and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Basir. In this video I'm going to share with all of you. The story is about his nobody cats work harder. Let's get started. David was a young man with big dreams. He wanted to become a great writer, but he had problems. No money, no support, and no one who believed in him. Often felt tired and said, "Why is life so difficult?" He thought, "I try so hard, but nobody helps me. Nobody cares." Said, "Nobody cares, work harder." He stopped and started at first. The words hurt. He thought, "That's not fair." But then something inside him changed. Understood the truth. If I want to change my life, I must do it myself. No one will write for him. No one will bring success to his door. He must earn it. From that day on, David stopped waiting for motivation. He woke up early. He wrote every day. He read books. He practiced his English. He worked in silence. No one noticed at first. No efforts, no likes. But David kept going. Months passed. His writing got better. One day a publisher read his story and liked it. They printed his book. People loved it. David became successful. Everyone said, "You are lucky," but David smiled and said, "Luck comes after hard work, not before it." We achieve from this lesson or story. Lesson that we achieve, that is, success does not come easily. People are often busy with their own lives. If you want to win, you must work hard, even when nobody sees you, even when nobody claps for you. Remember, nobody cares, work harder. Now we have key expressions to practice. Give up, stopped trying. Hit him like a hammer. Had a strong emotional effect. Made a plan mean organized steps toward a goal. Pushed himself. Pushed himself mean worked harder than usual. Vocabulary for fluency. Word phrase meaning frustrated, feeling upset when things don't go your way. Social media apps like Facebook, TikTok, etc. Scroll, move through content on a screen. Hit him like a hammer. Very strong emotional impact. Push himself. Try harder than before.